This code is using the Tkinter module will create a graphical user interface. Here's what each line of the code does. Import Tkinter as tk, imports the Tkinter module and gives it the alias o_alias tk. Root equals tk.tk, this code creates a new tk object, which represents the main window of the GUI. Label equals tk.label root, text equals hello, this creates a new label object and sets its parent to root, which means it will be displayed inside the main window. The label's text is set to hello. Label.pack, this adds the label to the window using the pack geometry manager, which automatically arranges the label within the window. Root.mainLoop, this starts the GUI's event loop, which waits for user input, such as clicking a button, and responds to it by running any associated code. The mainLoop method keeps the window open until it is closed by the user or the program.
This time let's check how this code will show us the graphical user interface using the Tkinter module.